Hello friends, very good afternoon. Myself Dr. M.H. Annaya, and in today's video we are going to learn about the projection of a pentagonal pyramid which is resting on one of the triangular faces on HP such that the shorter edge of the base or of the triangle is parallel to VP and nearer to it. Friends, let's go through the problem and see the contents of it. A pentagonal pyramid of side of base 30 mm and axis 60 mm. That's the height of the pyramid. Rests on HP on one of its triangular faces such that the slant edge of that, or the smaller, shorter edge of that face is parallel to VP and nearer to it. Friends, it has to rest on HP. First of all, it's a pentagonal pyramid. It has to rest on HP on one of its triangular faces. Friends, a pentagonal pyramid will have 5 triangular faces on its lateral surface. And here it is supposed to rest on one such triangular face on HP. The moment you see in the question that it has to rest on a triangular face on HP, friends, it's very obvious. One of the triangular face should come to your right side, that is to the right side of the observer, and the shorter edge of that should be perpendicular to VP. Hence, friends, we place this pyramid on HP such that one of the triangular face is towards the right side of the observer and one of the shorter edge, is normal to VP or it is perpendicular to VP. And we obtain the top and front views of the pyramid. So friends, let us start drawing the triangular pyramid in top view. So it is going to be a pyramid or a pentagon of size 30 mm with all these corners having equal angle. That is, this will be how much? 108 degrees. So the exterior angle will be 72 degrees. So friends, let us mark this pentagon in the top view. It has got a measurement of 30 millimeter, and you have to locate the center of this. So bisect any two adjacent sides, and these bisectors meet at the common point called O, the vertex. So this O has to be joined to all the corners. Before that, let me mark this as A, B, C, D, E. These are the 5 corners. You got this O, the vertex. Join O to all these. O to A, O to B, O to C, O to D, O to E. So we have got all these corners joined to the vertex O. Friends, in the top view, OA, OB, OC, OD and OE represent the 5 slant edges of the pyramid. Let us obtain the corresponding base of this in the front view. So I'll write a line from here, line from all these, and obtain these points. This is D dash, this is C and E, they come together. So write it as C dash, E dash. This is AB, A dash, B dash. Friends, this line on XY represents the base of the solid. Now, you will write the front view of the solid by taking the height of the solid given. The height of this pyramid is 60 mm. So I will mark O dash at a height of 60 millimeter from here. And let us show the distance of 60 mm. Say I will show it here. So this height is 60 mm. And friends, we join this O dash to A dash, O dash to E dash and C dash, O dash to A dash and B dash. Friends, this will give you the front view of this solid. And friends, in the front view, this line represents a triangular face because this line has got 3 points O dash, A dash, B dash. And this triangular surface is making some angle with HP. But as per the problem, it has to rest on HP. So friends, I am going to write down this front view marked as number 1 as figure number 2 such that this OAB is on HP. I will tell you how to get this figure. Friends, when you just rotate like this to the right side, A dash will be here, bottom is, sorry, this is D dash, this is A dash, B dash, next comes C dash, E dash, and finally the axis of the solid. So we have got the pyramid resting on O dash, A dash, B dash, which is the triangular face containing the edge AB. So this point is C dash, E dash. We'll mark it here. So this is C dash, E dash. And friends, we have this axis O1 dash. So we will join. So whatever the figure I have drawn here as figure number 2 is the photocopy of figure number 1. And only the difference is instead of resting on its base, it is resting on a triangular surface. So here I will mark this line O dash, A dash, B dash as triangular face, one of the triangular face on HP. It was at an angle, now it is resting on HP. Figure number 1 and 2 are exactly identical. Friends, once you have placed the object on HP on one of the triangular faces like this, friends, you will be able to see in the top view the complete base A, B, C, D, E, and also this line OD and then OC and OE. So friends, let us obtain the corresponding top view for this figure. So let us start with point A. Draw a vertical line from a horizontal from here. The point of intersection will give you A. Similarly, a vertical line from B, a horizontal line from here. They meet at point B. So AB is one such edge. We will mark that. Then friends, you got C and E. C and E come on this line. So draw a vertical line from C, a horizontal line from here. They meet at this point. So this point is on E. So this is E. We have got on the same line point C at the same distance. This is point C. So I got A, B, C, E, D. Draw a vertical line from D dash, a horizontal line from here. They meet at a point called D. Friends, you have got all the 5 corners. Let us join them. Join A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to A. And friend, this is O. It will be somewhere here. We will call it as O1. So A, B, C, D, E represents the top view of the pyramid when it is resting on one of the triangular faces. Let's also obtain what is O, the vertex in the top view. So draw a vertical line from there, a horizontal line from here. The point where these two intersect will give you the point O, the vertex in the top view. Join O to E, O to C, then O to D. Friends, here we have joined E, D and C to O. OE, OD and OC are visible. Friends, you can see here, when you are joining O to A, it is intersecting with ED and hence this has to be shown by a dotted line. Likewise, when you are joining O and B, it is intersecting CD and hence this has to be a dotted line. Friends, this is how we obtain the top view when the triangular pyramid is resting on one of its triangular faces on HP. But what does it say in the question? Draw its projections. Projections when the shorter edge of the triangular face is parallel to VP and nearer. See, triangular face is OAB. Now, AB is the shorter edge. I will write down here, shorter edge of the triangle that is perpendicular to VP. But he says it has to be parallel to VP. That is to say, I have to draw this figure 3 as figure number 4 such that ABCDE, the base, is nearer to the XY line. Friends, it is very easy to complete this bar. So friends, this is AB, this is AB, we can just say AB, and then from AB you write a vertical line, locate the point D. Write a vertical line, locate D on this. So D is somewhere here. Okay, let us say this is our point D. AB, then D, then comes O. DO distance you can measure OD, AB, OD. So O we can just get some here. Here we can just take the measurement and transfer. This is our O. We got A, B, D. And what about the CE? You know the distance of CE from AB. Mark the distance from AB, that is CE. So we will just draw a line here. We know the measurement of that. Take the measurement and get these points. So AB, this is going to be C here, D, and on the other end it is going to be B, C, D, E. Friends, now we have got all the 5 corners. We will join them to these corresponding corners. So I have to join O to C, O to E. So O to C I have joined, O to E will join, A, B, B, C, all you have joined. We have joined these. Now friends, when I am joining this A and B to O, it is cutting this line here. You know this is already a full line. A, B, C, D, E we have got. So when you are joining this O to A, this is intersecting with this. So what are the figure we have got before? We are just retrying that. So this also is going to be a dotted line, invisible line. Now friends, you can see the shorter edge AB is parallel to VP and nearer to it. As per the question, nearer to VP, nearer to it. And this will give you the final top view of the pyramid, and we have to get the front view. Friends, in the front view, A and B are on XY. So let a vertical line from A, vertical line from here, a horizontal line drawn through this will give you points A dash and B dash. So this is point B dash and this is point A dash. On this line, you get C and D. So draw horizontal line through that C dash, E dash, and vertical line through this C and E. So you get this point and again a point on the other end. So this is going to be C dash and D. Draw a horizontal line through D, a vertical line through this, and the point of intersection will give you D dash. Friends, again you are left with A, B, C, D, E. Friends, E is on this line. So this is our point E. So we got all the 5 points of the base. We'll join them. And O, the vertex is here. The point of intersection of vertical through O and O dash horizontal will give you this point O. So friends, I am going to join O to A, O to B, B to C, C to D, that is C dash to D dash, D dash to E dash, E dash to A dash. And friends, this is how the base looks. Where is O? O is here. So I have to join this O dash to all the corners. So O dash. So O dash is to be joined to D dash, O dash, sorry, B dash to D dash or D dash to O. So friends, you can see here, we have this O joined to A, joined to B, O is to be joined to C, O is to be joined to E, O, A, B, C, D, E. And friends here, when you have this D, The vertex O is joined to all the 5 corners. O to A, O to B, O to C, O to D. And friends, here the line, okay, this all these points are to be joined. And here, friends, you can just observe that the shorter edge AB is parallel to VP, and the highest edge of the base is D dash. AB is on HP. The line A dash, O dash, B dash on XY represents the triangular face on HP, on HP. And also, friends, you can observe that shorter edge of that is nearer to VP, and also it is parallel to VP, because that can be seen here. Friends, here we can observe O dash to be joined to A dash, we are done, to B dash, second, to C dash, to D dash, to E dash. So we need not have this line here. It is an extra line because we are not supposed to join that. And then O dash to D dash to be joined. Friends, this figure will represent the final front view of the solid. We will say FV, and as per the question, it is satisfying all the requirements of the question. Like, it has to rest on triangular face. Triangular face is OAB. OAB is on HP. That is also there on HP. And then you can see the shorter edge of that face. That face is OAB, and there AB is the shorter edge, and that shorter edge is parallel to VP and nearer to it. And friends, this gives you the complete solution of the solid pentagonal pyramid. Friends, I hope you are happy with the presentation I have made, and if you are happy, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Share this information with all your friends and have a wonderful day. Thank you.